and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. Today we're going to be drawing Hello Kitty, and for fun we're going to make it a Halloween Hello Kitty. We're going to put a witch's hat on her and spider webs, and it's going to be fun. Alright, should we get started?
Yeah!
Alright, let's get started.
Mom.
Okay, so start in the middle of the page with a
Right here?
with a sideways oval. Very cute. And then over here, we're gonna draw one of her eyes and then fill it in. And you can leave a little highlight if you want. Just a little one though.
Wait for me.
Oh, I will. And then her other eye is a little bit further over here. Kind of slanted a little bit. And you're trying to do it about the same size. And I drew it a little bit too big, so I'm going to make this one a little bigger so that they're around the same size.
This is like a pretty eye.
Whoa, that's a lot of eyelashes. All right, I'm just going to do 2 little eyelashes for mine.
I'm not going to do any more eyelashes.
Yeah. Okay, and then right here above her eye, you're going to curve down, and then it kind of flattens out, and then it curves back up. All right, and there's no mouth on Hello Kitty.
Yeah.
All right, and so now we're going to draw one of her ears. So we're going to draw a curved line up to a point, and then another curved line down to just right there for now. Okay, and now we're going to draw her hat. So a witch's hat, it's going to have a brim that goes all the way across like that. So draw all the way across. Very good. And then we're going to have it
Oopsie.
now we're going to have it curve down for the brim like that. And then curve
To
down.
her ear or here?
From above her ear, it's going to look like, you know, almost like a second ear. That's the brim. Like that. So it's going to curve over. And then this one's going to curve over too, like that. Now, instead of drawing the point at this part, we're going to draw her Hello Kitty bow. And the way we do that is a circle right here, not too big. It's a good circle. And then an oval right next to it that kind of overlaps.
That looks like a fly.
Oh. And then I'm going to draw a little half circle in there so it looks like the Hello Kitty bow.
Me too.
Oh, cute. All right, and now we're ready to draw the point. So let's start over here and go behind the...
Right here?
Well, you need to have your brim meet up. See how mine meets
here?
up? Yeah, so your brim needs to meet up down here. So draw a line, a diagonal line down to your brim. Very good. Okay, so now from here, right above the bow, we're gonna have it go up and down,
from
like
here?
like a candy cane. Can you draw a candy cane? Very good. All right, and then from that candy cane, we're gonna come around. And then it's gonna diagonal down. You did it, and it comes down to there. Good job.
I
Yay, good hat.
did it! It's kind of like a big wave.
Yeah, it does look like a wave. And now you can draw a little ribbon right here if you have room. If not, no big deal. Okay, we can decorate the hat later. Now we need to draw her other ear. Yeah, kind of right behind her bow. And then it comes down.
Oh.
Like that. So now she has some whiskers that we need to draw. They're kind of thick. 1, 2. I'm using the side of my Sharpie to do them. 3. 1, 2, and 3. All right, so for her dress, we're gonna draw a half circle down here. And then we're gonna draw her arm So the way we make her arm is a curved...
Can you do the dot for me so I know where she's arm is?
Sure, let me just finish drawing my oval. You draw an oval, but you leave a spot for her thumb right there. So you're going to draw an oval from right here
Okay.
over to here, okay? And a spot for her thumb. Cute.
It's kind of late like a minute, but I don't care.
It is like a mitten. That is totally right. Okay, so now the side of her
When
dress.
she's cooking.
Yeah. All right, and now the side of her dress, it comes down.
Down.
And then it curves out. Cute.
Out.
And-
Oh, like a ballerina, like I draw.
Yeah. And then over here, it curves out too. And then we're going to bring it down, and she's going to have some ruffles or ridges or whatever you want to call them in her dress that come around and then meets up with her dress over here. And if you want to just draw a straight line, that's fine.
Ooh.
That can be one of your spider webs later, so how about you try again and meet up down there. Wait, no, so from right here, come down. Yeah! Woohoo!
It's
I
kind of
love
like
it.
a mermaid.
It's beautiful. It's like a bigger dress than mine, and I love it. All right, so now we're going to draw her other arm. So it's a line that way, and then a thumb,
Awesome.
and then a mitten. Like that. Cute. I love it. Okay, and now her feet, they're pretty easy. They're just like half circles almost, but a little flat at the bottom. So there's one. So you just do like a curved line. And then bring it all the way up to the dress. Cute. And then her other one is right there. Cute. And then
She's running this way.
I think her cape should be flowing behind her like this. So you do a curved line behind her arm. And then it comes down like this. And then it swoops behind her. Perfect. All right. So that's how you draw it. And then we can add some decorations on her dress, like...
Actually, she's walking.
Yeah.
Like she's ready to say hello.
Okay.
But the wind is taking her cape to her front.
Yeah. So there's a square for her belt buckle. And then you could draw another one inside of it. Wow, good job. Now another one inside of it. And then fill that in. Yeah. And then you're going to draw the rest of her belt going to each side of her dress with two lines actually, so that you can make it thick like a belt. See? You can fill in the belt black if you want. Perfect. Okay, so now we could draw some spider webs on her. So the way you do a spider web is you draw some lines going out like this. Yes, very good. And then in between the lines you draw curved lines that meet up. Like that. Yes, exactly.
Like a patty.
And you just do more of them underneath. Yeah. Yeah. And then do some more right there. Yeah. And then a couple more right in there. Yeah. That's a good spider's web. All right. And then we could draw another one over here. You're so excited. So we can...
No, I'm just happy that I did it.
I'm so happy you did it too. You didn't give up. So some more spider's webs. And then you can do the curved lines in between. Yes. And then another curved line right underneath it. Like that. Very good. And you can even draw a spider. So you draw a circle. And then what?
Circle.
8 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8.
Ooh, spider. Now let's draw one more spider web. I think it would look pretty to do one right up here. So just 2 lines, yep. And then we're gonna draw curved lines in between. Ooh. Yes. Very good. Okay. So we're almost ready to color. So when you're coloring it, oh, you're drawing another, okay, while she's drawing another spider's web, I'll tell you some things. Okay, so you can thicken up your lines, which I might do later, and make them thicker right there, a little thicker right here, but you don't have to. If you like how it looks, you don't have to thicken it up. But Hello Kitty generally has kind of thicker, curvy lines along there.
I already did it. Wait, I forgot her. No,
And then
I didn't forget her whiskers.
we're gonna color her dress purple and like dark purple for her cape. Her nose is yellow.
I'm trying to not get the spiders.
And let me teach you how to draw a star in case you want to draw stars on her hat. We might draw stars, but I'll just draw one for now to teach you how to draw a star. And we'll do it over here, just in the corner. Okay, hold on. All right. Okay, so you make a triangle like that, but without a bottom. Okay, and then you make another triangle out that way without a bottom. You try to make it more sideways like this. And then this one goes down. And then this one goes down this way. And that's kind of how you draw a triangle. I mean, a star. And if that's too hard for you, that's okay. You can just draw circles. You could also draw, let me show you another type of star you can draw. So where you can draw like this, like a diamond. Watch out so people can see it, honey. You can draw a diamond where you draw curved lines that meet up like that. So it's like a curved diamond like this. Ooh, that's cute. All right, so now we're gonna color and decorate it in time lapse. If stars are too hard for you, don't worry about stars. All right, should we get coloring? All right, let's do it. Thank you so much for drawing with us. We hope you had fun drawing Hello Kitty as a witch. And make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future videos. Bye!